Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode questions writing puzzle. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, create a start string. So start equal empty string dot join and string and num. And for row in bold, and then inside loop for num in row. I think this create like 412503, something like that. And then so target string is like 123450, right? And then first of all create neighbors. So neighbors, and this is hash map, and from index 0 we can move index 1 and 3, and from index 1 we can move like index 0 to 4, and then from index 2 we can move like 1 and index 5, and from index 3 we can move to 0 or index 4, and from index 4 we can move to index 1, 3, and 5. Oops. And from index 5 we can move to index 2 and index 4. And first of all, if start is already same as target, just return 0, right? 0 move. If not the case, first of all, we create a visited, and this is set. So we put start string at first, and then so we use Q, and so this is a DQ. So we want to use pop left. So we use DQ, and then so we put like start, and so this is movement time. So first of all 0. So we keep like tuple, and then start is a like a string, and this is a movement time, and then while Q is not empty. So first of all, like we execute pop left, and so state and moves equal so Q dot pop left. So this start goes to state, and this 0 goes to moves, and then so 0 position should be state dot index and 0, right? So now we get the index of space, I mean 0. And then for neighbor in neighbors and 0 position. So so in this case 0 is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 0 position should be 4, and neighbors coming from this predefined hash map, and index 4 is here. So we can move index 1, index 3, index 5, right? And then, so first of all, as I told you, we can't modify string, so we convert string into a list. So new state equal list and state, and then swap two position. So one is new state and 0 position, and a new state and a neighbor, right? Equal, so we can swap these two numbers. So this should be neighbor and 0 position, right? And then we successfully swap two numbers, and then again convert the list into a string. So new state equal empty string dot join and a new state, right? And then if new state equal target, in the case return current moves plus 1, right? If new state not in visited, so we want to avoid like a duplicate check. So if new state not in visited, so we add new state to visited dot add and a new state, and let me create a space, and then and add q and like q dot, so we use append and new state, and movement time should be moves plus 1, right? I think that's it. And if we can't create a target state, we just return -1, right? I think that's it. Very long solution code. Yeah, so let me submit it. Sorry, I forgot this. So let me submit again.